Welcome back. This is lesson 3 in this section of the training, self-formatting options. Still on the training, how to get started with Excel. In this lesson, we'll be looking at how to use the font and fill color formatting. I am Amaka Ifebunandu, your instructor. The font and fill color formatting are features we use to format our text and the background of the cell. The font color is used to format the text, while the fill color is used to format the background of the cell content. I'll take that again. The font color is used to format the text in the cell, while the fill color is used to format the background of the cell. Right. So in carrying out this action, we have two methods. First method is you go to your home tab. Under the font section, you will see an icon like a paint-like object, an icon looking like a paint-like object, and that is what that's the button you use to apply when you want to apply a fill color formatting, that you want to change the color of the background of the cell or range of cell you selected. Beside it is a drop down arrow where you can explore other colors. We call this the color palette, right? So you can explore other colors here. The next icon is the font icon. It has a capital letter A, this icon here with a capital letter A on it. That's the font, and this icon is what you use to format the text. That's the cell content. You want to change the color of the text, or the value or the date, because your cell contains either date, either a value, that's number, or date. So this is what you use to change the color of the content, and it also has a drop down arrow by the side where you can explore different colors you use. Right. The second method is to select the cell range. Let's say we want to format the cell range. All you need to do is to select it and right click on it. Then the shortcut menu pops up. On the shortcut menu, you will still see the same fill color icon and the font color icon. So let's just go in and apply this formatting to the selected range you can see on the screen. We've selected the heading of this database. So I'll be applying the font color on it and also the fill color formatting. First, let's use the font color formatting. I go to the Home tab. After selecting the range of cells we desire to apply such formatting, go to the Home tab. Under the font section, this is the font color formatting. I'll select the drop down arrow to explore other color. Just watch as I overrun it. There is a live preview showing me what it looks like on every color I selected. This gives the user the option to make his or her choice, right? So by having this live preview, you can just decide which of the font color suits the data range you selected. So I will just explore whichever suits the data range I've selected. I will explore. Let me go to standard color. Wow, this is okay. So I'll be using this dark red, right? You can also explore more options by clicking on this. If these ones are not okay for you, you can click on this for more options of color. So I'll click on this, right? So you can see the effect. This font color, that is this content of the cell changes. That's what the font color does. We'll be applying the fill color now on it. You select the range you want to apply that fill color. Now we'll be using the shortcut menu. We'll right click. Let me just right click here. Then this is the fill color. We want to apply the fill color, that's a background color. We just applied font color on the text. Now let's apply fill color to format the background of the selected cell. So I'll use this fill color option. Click on the drop down or arrow to explore other colors. So you see, as I hover around it, I'm seeing a live preview and I can now make my choice. So let's move. Okay, this is okay, brings it out. Good. So this is the fill color, and this is the effect you have when you apply the fill color formatting. Right. So I believe we've understood what the difference between the fill color and the font color. The font color formats the cell content, while the fill color formats the background of the cell. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson.